hey, egg sizes are off. Why should you care? Well, if you bake anything at all with eggs, you should care because inconsistent egg sizes can really throw a recipe off. I have heard from a lot of people lately that their breads are sinking or their cookies are crumbling, and if everything else is done right, it actually could be the eggs. This is GF Jules, and as a recipe writer, I'm here to tell you that when we call for eggs, we mean large eggs unless otherwise specified. And what does the large egg mean? Well, in the United States, that should be around 56 grams. Let me show you what's happening. About 3 dozen size large eggs, and you can already see that they're different sizes. And no, it doesn't make a difference between brown and white. Here's a selection of some larger and smaller eggs that were all taken from the size large cartons that I bought. As you can see, they're very different in size. Weighing these out, you can see that some of these eggs are 72 grams and some of them are 56. That's a difference of 16 grams. If you have a recipe that calls for more than one egg, that starts to really multiply out and can really throw the recipe off. So if your recipe is not turning out like it should, check and see whether your eggs might be the problem. There's a lot of variability right now and it can really affect your recipe. For more information, go to gfjules.com.